Cambridge Primary Science, 4th grade, activity book. 3 solids, liquids and gases. Exercise 3.1 Matter. In this exercise, you will identify solids, liquids and gases from pictures. Identify solids, liquids and gases in the pictures AF. Write your answer in the space beside each picture. B. A. Orange juice. 101. F. Exercise 3.2 Matter is made of particles. In this exercise, you will make drawings to show how particles are arranged in solids, liquids and gases. You have 10 particles of matter. Draw the 10 particles in each box below to represent a solid, a liquid and a gas. Solid, liquid, gas. 2. Fill in the table to describe how particles move in the different states of matter. State of matter. Do the particles move a lot, quite a lot, or hardly at all? Do the particles move apart, far apart, or shake in one place? Solid, liquid, gas. Exercise 3.3. How do solids, liquids, and gases behave? In this exercise, you will apply what you have learnt about the particle model of solids, liquids, and gases to a new situation. 1. Look at the particles in the pictures of the 2 syringes, A and B. Which syringe contains water and which syringe contains air? B. Use the particle model to explain your answer. 2. Look at the picture of the rain falling on the ground. A. B. Draw an arrow on the picture to show where the water will be when the rain has stopped. Exercise 3.4 Melting, freezing and boiling. In this exercise, you will identify melting, freezing and boiling in pictures. Look at the pictures AD below. A. B. Gold, gold. Write your answers to the questions in the table. Picture. Name the type of matter. E. G. Water. Dot. Identify the phase of the matter as it is now in the picture. Identify the phase change that has taken place to make this phase of matter. E. G. Liquid to gas. Dot. Say whether the matter was heated or cooled to cause the phase change. A. B. C. D. Exercise 3.5 Melting in different solids. In this exercise, you will use information in a table to answer questions about melting in different substances. Substance: salt, sugar, ice, candle wax, chocolate. Melting point in degree C: 800, 185, 0, 60, 35, 1. Describe the phase change that takes place when a substance melts. 2. Which substance in the table melts at the highest temperature? 3. Which substance in the table melts at the lowest temperature? 4. Which substance needs the most heat to melt it? 5. Room temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. Which substance will be liquid at room temperature? Exercise 3.6 Melting points. In this exercise, you will use information in a table to compare the melting points of different metals. Metal: gold, silver, aluminium, copper. What is a melting point? Melting point in degree C: 1064, 962, 660, 1083. List the metals in the order of highest melting point to the lowest melting point. 3. Complete the following phase change. Heat: gold, phase, gold, phase. Language review Nog Prefem 6. Cybioxes. This exercise checks that you understand the scientific words used in this unit. Write the correct words in the spaces within the sentences below using the following words. You will need to use some of these words more than once. Freezing point: liquid, gas, melt. Temperature: particles, thermometer, freeze, solid, phase. Everything consists of matter. Melting point: all matter consists of. If the particles are closely packed so that they can only move a little bit, the substance is a. If the particles are more loosely packed so that they can slide over each other, the substance is a. If the particles are far apart and move a lot, the substance is a. Heating causes a solid to and change phase from solid to. For example, when you heat a piece of butter, it changes from the phase to the phase. Cooling causes a liquid to. For example, water changes into ice. Freezing makes a substance change from the liquid to the. We can measure the with a. We can measure the. This is called the phase at which a substance melts. This is called the at which a substance freezes.